How to save OBS settings. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy or save your OBS Studio settings. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to save your settings for OBS, what you can do is open up your OBS first. After that, here on the top left, you'll find the Files option. Tap on it. Then tap on Show Settings folder. After you do that, you should see the settings for OBS. So after you're on this file location, just head back one step, go to roaming, and there you'll see OBS Studio. Now you can copy this folder entirely and paste it somewhere. I'll just paste it to my desktop like this. You can paste it to a backup location as well. Then what you can do is you can close this window up, and let's say that now you have installed or downloaded OBS to this to a new device or wherever you want the new settings to be at. So after that, make sure that you share this folder to your new device, and all you need to do is open up your OBS, tap on File, go to your Show Setting folder like we did before. Then after you'll be here again, go back to roaming. Now delete this entire folder. You can delete it by simply tapping on this delete icon here and then drag and drop this folder to this location. Doing that will just automatically copy or save your settings and transfer it to a new device. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.